We all eat bananas, but did you know there's a specific way to eat them that can rapidly multiply a man's stamina and physical strength? Eating a banana the regular way won't give you the full benefits. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a trick that most people have no idea about. If you eat just one banana a day using this specific method, you will be completely amazed by the changes in your body after exactly 7 days. What is this method? Let's find out. In today's busy and highly competitive world, almost all of us suffer from a very common but serious problem: extreme fatigue and a severe lack of energy at the end of the day. Thanks to the heavy stress at work, spending hours in traffic, family or career anxieties, and of course, unhealthy eating habits, our body's internal stamina is slowly draining away. For men especially, after crossing their mid-20s or 30s, natural testosterone levels can start to drop for a variety of reasons. As a result, you might find yourself losing your breath easily, experiencing muscle weakness, lacking focus at work, feeling constantly exhausted, and seeing a deep negative impact on your personal and married life. To get a quick fix for this physical weakness and lack of stamina, many people become dependent on chemical-filled energy drinks, expensive supplements, or over-the-counter pills. But while these might give you a temporary buzz, they can be incredibly harmful to your liver, kidneys, and heart in the long run. Yet right around us, hidden in nature, are magical ingredients that can restore your lost energy completely naturally and without any side effects. And right at the very top of this natural superfood list is a fruit we all know and can easily find: the banana. Now you might naturally wonder, with so many fruits out there, why is the banana so special for men's physical strength? Let's try to understand this a bit deeper from a scientific perspective. Inside a banana, there is a highly powerful and important enzyme called bromelain. This enzyme plays a massive role in naturally boosting testosterone production in the body. Testosterone is the primary male hormone, acting as the main driving force behind a man's physique, muscle firmness, stamina, and confidence. Alongside this, bananas are packed with a mineral called potassium. Potassium helps to relax and widen our blood vessels, which dramatically increases blood flow throughout the body, especially to your essential organs. The smoother and faster your blood flow, the higher your stamina and energy levels will be. But that's not all. Bananas are also loaded with magnesium and vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 keeps our central nervous system calm and lowers the level of the stress hormone, cortisol. When your stress or cortisol levels are low, your body naturally feels more energetic and refreshed. On the other hand, magnesium fights off muscle fatigue and helps with muscle recovery. That's why eating a banana after heavy physical labor helps the body magically and quickly regain its strength. But just like I said at the start of the video, simply buying a banana from the store, peeling it, and eating it won't give you all these magical benefits completely. The real magic lies in the right combination and the specific time you eat it. Now I'm going to share that special secret method in detail, which will boost your energy levels like a rocket. To make this powerful mix, you'll need just a few very common and natural ingredients from your kitchen. First, you need one medium or large-sized, well-ripened banana. Remember, the riper the banana, like when it gets those light brown spots on the peel, the higher its antioxidant properties and natural sweetness, which gives your body quick energy. Second, you'll need 1 teaspoon of pure raw honey. Third, 2 to 3 premium quality, soft dates. And finally, a pinch of cinnamon powder and a tiny bit of black seeds. So, how do you make this power-packed mix? And when should you eat it? Every morning, about 30 minutes to an hour after eating a solid, nutritious breakfast, you're going to prepare this. First, peel the ripe banana and cut it into small slices in a clean bowl. Next, remove the pits from the dates, chop them up into tiny pieces, and scatter them over the banana slices. Then drizzle that 1 teaspoon of pure honey right on top. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon powder and just a few black seeds over the whole thing. And there you go. Your natural powerhouse or energy booster is ready. When this incredible mix enters your stomach, it's no longer just a regular morning snack. The potassium and bromelain from the banana, the iron and fiber from the dates, the natural sugars from the honey, the immune-boosting power of the black seeds, and the anti-inflammatory properties of the cinnamon all blend together to create an unprecedented synergy, an explosion of combined power in your body. It won't just give you instant energy, it will help you maintain long-lasting stamina throughout the entire day. If you start eating this mixture today, strictly following these rules, Pay close attention to the dramatic changes that will happen in your body over the next 7 days. From day 1 to day 2, you'll notice your digestion is much better than before. That heavy fatigue or sleepiness that used to drag you down in the afternoon or evening after a long day of work, that will completely disappear. Your body will also start absorbing proper nutrients from other foods you eat. By the 3rd and 4th day, you will feel a major shift in your blood circulation. Thanks to the excellent combination of potassium and cinnamon, your blood flow will be so smooth that any old muscle pains, joint stiffness, or muscle cramps will slowly fade away. When you wake up in the morning, you'll feel much fresher, lighter, and more vibrant.